To find and manage vibration settings on Google Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, you want to open settings on your phone. Now over here in these settings, you should be able to go to sound and vibration. And then here in sound and vibration, we can find vibration and haptics. Here we can completely deactivate or activate vibration and haptics on your phone. And you also have some additional settings like the ring vibration, notification vibration, and so on and so forth. We even have interactive haptics over here, so you can manage them quite easily. And besides that, here below, we have the section for default sounds, like for the default ringtone, default notification sound, and so on. And if you go to these options, usually you can find the vibration option here as well. So if you tap here, not only you can adjust the vibration for that thing, but also you can choose the vibration pattern. So you can easily change it over here. And of course, if you made any change, you just want to save in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. These are all the vibration settings that we have on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.